Well, it didn't take me long to make a part 2 to Nixx's flying videos. She's been flying for 2 weeks now, only. And literally in 1 week, she has improved so much. Check this out. Just got home from dropping my kids off at school, and look at how excited my baby girl is to see me. What you doing? Come out of your cage. Where you gonna go? Where you gonna fly? Nixxy, come. Good girl. She landed on my head, guys. She's doing amazing. Look at that. And here she is. You guys, they both landed on my head. That was amazing. And right here on live. Good girl!